everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna make a new unboxing today. Okay, we're gonna a new unboxing. So we've got lots of stuffs right here, and also this is gonna be all right. And so we've got a new tech unboxing today. And let's go gonna check this out. So this is a Skull Candy, right? So we've got a new earbuds from Skull Candy, and this is not a sponsored product, right? So and this is from I bought this also in Walmart, which only cost not just a little bit higher price, right? So since I just found this in the below 20 price tech, right? So yeah, we've got the Skull Candy Dime 3XT, right? We got the Dime 3XT. So okay, let's gonna have to check this out. Okay, so okay, here we go, guys. So we've got the Skull Candy Dime 3XT. So we've got this battery life and rapid charge, alright, of 20 hours. We got some sweat and water resistant, IPX4, and stay awake mode, alright. And then right over here we've got this, yeah, mini in my tier, mini ET plus, mini in my tier, so mini ET plus. Alright, so okay, we've got this, yeah, okay, got to open this one right over here. I think, yeah, there's a tape on it. All right, here it goes. Let's see what's the design for this one. So when I see this one and also this one right over here, yeah, so okay, and then let's check that out. Oh, okay, nice what I see right over there, right? Okay, let's go. Gonna have a take a look. Oh, okay. Okay, we've got some ear tips right over here. Yeah, we got some ear tips, right? If you want to change the tips of the earbuds, right? And then we have here, okay. And yeah, we've got the charger, right? Dime 3, okay, Skull Candy Dime 3. We got the USB-C, USB charger, yeah, cable. We've got the dime. Oh, this one. Oh, all right. We've got some, yeah, look at that. So, and then, and gonna have to open that one. Oh, nice, okay. I like this one. I like this one, right? So, and then let's go, gonna have to check that out. Yeah, look at that. So this is the right, I believe, and we've got the left. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take that out. Okay, I'm gonna have to take this, since that is the port of the charger, right? That is the port of the charger, and then it is not charging it up, right? Okay, here it goes. As you can see, right, as you can see, it's charging. All right, look at that. Yeah, look at that. And when you have to close it up like that one, right? Oh, nice. All right, nice. Okay, we've got some cool Skull Candy, yeah, Dime 3. Okay, this is a new, nice, perfect, and a new. Okay, we got some plastic over here. Yeah, look at that. All right, and we've got the skull right over here at the back, right? So yes, and if you want to change some ear tips, you can change an ear tips, right? According to the size of your ears, right? So we're gonna look at that. So let's gonna have to try and connect it into my phone. Okay, so since I already have a Skull Candy application, okay, yeah, I think I've deleted it. Okay, okay, Oh, okay. I still don't have the skull candy. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to install that one also. And then, okay, I'm gonna have to. Okay. Alright, okay. Enable Bluetooth. Okay, allow. Alright, here we go. So, we couldn't find a connected device. Find your skull candy. Okay. I have to take, gonna have to take that one. Okay. We couldn't find a connected device. Find your skull candy product below. Okay. What is this? Take me somewhere cool. Okay. Not seeing your product. Okay. Okay. Where you go? Oops. Go back. Alright, so it's something, yeah, when it comes like this one, right? Okay. It says we couldn't find a connected device. Find your skull candy product below. Okay, so gonna have to go to my Bluetooth. So gonna check. We got some dime tree, right? Okay, I'm gonna have to connect that one. Alright, there you go. So gonna have to pair it one. I'm gonna have to pair it. Yeah, and it's already connected, right? So, and then I'm gonna have to open that one, and then oops, okay. Yeah, and it's on 80%. So, but you know, it's still not be connected into this application. All right, so let's go. Gonna have to try. Okay, let's go. Gonna have to try. So, all right, here it goes. So, I'm gonna have to put this on. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, and it's really fit perfectly, right? So yeah, when you look at that, okay, and then let's go play some music. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Ooh. So yeah, nice. Okay, and it's also a really nice one. Also. So I'm gonna have to try it on my MP3 player to my any Oasis. So since I'm gonna be using my MP3 player any Oasis, okay, so that we will know what's the quality. All right. So I have my ini Oasis MP3 player. So this is because I'm gonna be using this from now on. So I'm gonna be using this. So I also using my other phone for MP3 player. So since I just only using Spotify just for emergency uses when I am low bat for my MP3, right? So okay, let's go. I'm gonna have to connect this one. All right, I'm gonna have to connect my skull candy in here, right? So we pair a new device. So this is the new dime, right? So we've got the dime. Okay, still not getting. Okay, we've got. Still not getting some information, right? So just gonna hope for that one. Okay, so alright, so it's already connected right over here into my ini Oasis. So let's go, gonna have to play some music on it. So from the MP3, not from Spotify, right? So let's go, gonna have to play some music. Alright. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay, here you go. Nice. Okay, and it's also a really good one. So okay, I'm gonna using my aim. Okay, so I'm gonna have to play some MP3, another format. Okay. Well, yeah, I'm impressed with this quality of the skull candy, right? So, and it's also, I really like this one also. It's because, yeah, you can also have to use it like that one over here. It's also a perfect one, and it's also a very, you can grab it like that. Yes, it is a really really small one, right? And it's also a perfect, skull candy. So if you want to see this kind of skull candy, so just check in your nearest Walmart near you, right? So this is a good grab, right? This is a good grab. This is a good grab. Okay, so gotta watch out for this because I have also having a review for this one. So how long does it take? How long it will goes, right? So okay. So yeah, so I think that's it for today's vlog. So and I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, stay tuned for more because I'm gonna give you some of my good stuffs here in my channel. So thank you so much for watching and see you again on the next one.